Hi, welcome to the Web Developer Bootcamp, the only course that you need to learn web development. My name is Colt, and I'll be leading you on this adventure. Over the last few years, I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people learn how to program and change their careers at 2 different boot camps in the San Francisco Bay Area. Most recently, I was the lead instructor and curriculum director at Galvanize San Francisco's 6-month immersive program, where 94% of my students went on to receive full-time developer jobs within 6 months of graduation. I've spent years designing curriculum, working with students, and studying education. I harnessed those skills to create this class, which is the online equivalent of my 3- and 6-month in-person bootcamp programs. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create your own full-stack web applications from scratch using the latest technologies that big tech companies like Google, Apple, and Airbnb use. The course covers a lot of different technologies and tools. We start off with HTML, and then CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Node.js, Express, MongoDB, and a whole bunch more. And if you don't know what any of those words are, don't worry, we start from the very beginning. This course is for anyone who wants to learn web development, regardless of previous experience. It's a one-stop shop. It's the only course that you need for the complete developer education. And the best part is that I'm constantly updating it with new content. Thanks for checking us out. Be sure to watch some of the free preview videos and read the course description for more information.